So let's talk about Watch Owner Wallet. How do you get it? How it all goes. One of the biggest concerns of newbies right now are Watch Owner wallets. Now, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about Watch Owner Wallet right now in this video. How to unlock it, that is if it's unlockable, then how to create one, how you can get it, and how these people, scammers or bad actors are using it to swindle people thousands and thousands of dollars. So you don't want to be among those persons. So it's important for you to know what it is, even if you don't need it. Okay, in this case, let us take, I'm going to use my Trust Wallet as an instance. Okay, so I'm going to log into a Trust Wallet that has funds, which is this one. All right, so now looking at this Trust Wallet right here, this is my wallet. You can see if I tap on it, let's tap on it, this token GMM. Now you will notice I can send and as well receive. Okay, and it's not written Watch Owner Wallet on the screen. Now let's say I want to put this my wallet offline, but I still want to be able to monitor it. Okay, there are more than one coin in this wallet actually, so you will just notice they will just be coming up one after the other. All right, so now let's say I want to be seeing the tokens in this wallet, but I don't want it online based on security stuffs. All right, now I could copy my wallet address, then click on the wallet name right there, that drop down there, click on the plus button right here, then click on add existing wallet, then click on view on a wallet before it's to watch on it. Now here I'm giving what you're going to be given a lot of options right here. So you choose the coin and the network that is existing on. Okay, so I'm going to choose BNB. Is existing on BNB network, so I'm going to paste the wallet address I copied, then confirm it. Now I've confirmed it as a view on a wallet. Now what will happen next is that the tokens will start populating on this view on a wallet. Whatever tokens that I have on that my Trust Wallet, multi-coin wallet, will start coming up right here. Now if it doesn't come up, what you can do is to copy the same address, go to the Explorer, paste it, and copy the contract address of each of the tokens that are not displayed right on in front of you. All right, so now let's look at our GMM right here. Let's click on it. It should reflect. It takes some time to update, maybe less than 30 seconds depending on your internet connection. All right, so this is still coming up. So here we are. This mine is up right here, but one thing you have to understand, see the rest have come up too. So one thing you have to understand is, as the name implies, view only, I can only see it but I can't do nothing. Then I can go ahead to delete my main wallet from the Trust Wallet. Before you delete it, ensure that you must have written the 12K recovery phrase down correctly, and you've tried re-uploading it, or you've tried restoring it after writing it down twice before deleting the wallet, taking it offline. This enables one to keep their wallet offline and then still able to view the assets on the wallet. Now in a situation whereby you are receiving a coin from, let's say you that is watching this video, and I send you my address, you could use my address to view whatever asset that is on that wallet using this Watch Owner Wallet techniques. Now another thing is, let's say you go through the blockchain, and because the blockchain is an open ledger, a public ledger, so you could see sender and receiver address of different wallets. Let's say you just go there, copy the random wallet, and then come to Trust Wallet and import it as a Watch Owner on a wallet. Of course, you'll be able to see different assets on the wallet, but you can't do nothing just apart from just seeing it. You can't just do nothing. Okay, so now how can you access a watch on a wallet? It's by copying the original recovery phrase of that wallet and uploading it, restoring it. So if you are given a random address from the blockchain, I'm sorry to say that you cannot access it because the wallet does not belong to you. It belongs to whoever has the seed phrase that wallet. So I hope this video explained to you well enough how to open a watch on a wallet. So if anybody is telling you you can buy the key, or there's an app that dictates the key, the person is lying to you and they are just trying to scam you. But if you feel you need further explanation on this and you need to, your own case may be different from this and you need to message me, all my contact details is in the description of this video or as displayed on your screen right here. So thank you for watching. See you in our next video.